Today I would like to teach figure of speech. In rhetoric, a number of figures are used or employed to make a speech or writing effective and impressive. There are so many figures of speech, but commonly 6 or 7 figures of speech are used. Number first, simile. A simile is a comparison between two objects of different kinds which have at least one point in common, and the words so, like are used for comparison. For example, he is brave like a lion. Lata is as wise as Ram. So he and lion, there are two different things, and Lata and Ram, there are two different things, and brave and wise common words. And second, metaphor. A metaphor is an implied simile, or we can say in this figure of speech, the things compared are treated as one and the same. As example, life is a dream. Second, the camel is the sheep of the desert. So life is a dream. In this figure of speech, life is supposed to be dream, and the camel is supposed to be the sheep of the desert. Clear? Number third, personification. In this figure of speech, lifeless objects and abstract ideas are thought of as persons having lives. For example, love is blind, authority forgets a dying king. So, love and authority, these two words are used as personification. And number four, oxymoron. In this figure of speech, two opposite qualities are added to the same thing. For example, I am feeling sweet pain. So sweet and pain, and having nothing, he had all. So in these two examples, there are figure of speech oxymoron. Number 5, apostrophe. An apostrophe is a direct address to the dead, the absent, or to the personified object. As Father, come and help me. In this sentence, Father is addressed. O death, where is thy sting? And in this sentence, O death is addressed. So we can say in these two examples, there are figure of speech apostrophe. And number 6, onomatopoeia. In this figure of speech, the sound suggests the sense or meaning. As the cat's mew, and the snake hisses. So mew and hisses tells us about the sound of the animals. And number 7, hyperbole. In this figure of speech, the things are shown greater or less, better or worse than they really are. For example, 10,000 saw I at a glance. Number 2, I am so thirsty that I can drink up the ocean. In these two examples, the things are shown greater. So we can say in these two examples, there are figure of speech hyperbole. Define the following with example: simile, oxymoron, and hyperbole.